In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create, duplicate, and rename sheets in your sheet set, as well as create a sheet index. Now, just like with anything in Revit, you can add and delete and rename sheets throughout your drawing process, but I'm going to just create our beginning set right now because it will allow us down the road to be a little bit quicker when we're assembling our sheet set, because if the sheets are made, then it's just a matter of dragging and dropping our drawings or views on them. So right now, if you go to our sheets, you've got, or you should have if you've been keeping up with us, the sheet that we just created here that's got the family and all of our titles and everything changed. But if I right click it, I can actually rename it. And I'm going to rename this to sheet A100, and I'm going to call this the cover sheet. Okay, and so you can see here it changed here and it changed here as well. Now I'm going to right click and just do new sheet. Same one that I've already created. We're going to just go ahead and do that new one. This one, you can see here it changed the number automatically, but I need to name it. And I'm going to name this the level 2 floor plan and hit OK. So all you have to do is just right click new sheet. We've already got our family selected. It's going to change the number for us automatically, which is helpful. And so then all we need to do is right click and hit rename. Delete the name that's there. I'm going to call this one building sections. And I'm going to hit OK. And so all these sheets, as I click on them, they've got the correct name, they've got the correct number, and all we have to do is drag the drawings on when we're ready. Now, we're going to create several more sheets here, but for right now, I'm actually going to right-click on the schedules right here and see where it says Create New Sheet List. I'm going to select this button. Now this is just like a schedule because see it's under the schedules section, and you can see here Revit is asking us which parameters we want to add to our sheet list, and I want to make sure we add the sheet name and the sheet number. I'm going to bring it over here, but I want the number to come first, so I'm going to bring that up right there. As I filter and sort, I want to have it sorted by the sheet number in ascending order. And I'm going to hit OK. And then now look, we have a sheet list here. I'm going to rename this or rewrite this so that it's in all caps. And I can extend this over just a little bit to make it so that we can see the entire sheet name. You can see here our sheet list is ready. So now you know how to create, duplicate, and rename sheets and create a sheet index.